Welcome to another Simple Dad Instagram tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to get the crying filter for Instagram. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can support me by liking this video so YouTube can push it out to others who need this tutorial. Crying filter has been trending and everyone wants this filter. However, I have seen messages on my videos where people are not able to find it for Instagram. So let me show you how you can get this crying filter for Instagram. On your phone, first open up your App Store or your Play Store, search for Snapchat, go ahead and download it, or you can update it if you already have it. Once that's been downloaded or updated, go ahead and open the app. Now tap on search at the top, search for crying. You should see some results in the search results. Make sure to tap on crying filter that looks like this. This should take you in the recording view and you should see the filter change your face. Record your video using the Snapchat crying filter. Once recorded, go ahead and download the crying filter video to your phone. You can do this by pressing the down arrow at the bottom of the screen. Now go back to the home screen and start up Instagram. Tap on the plus sign and then tap on Stories or Reel. Tap on Upload and upload the video you have just downloaded from Snapchat. After that, you can add your text, music, and then effects, and then post it on Instagram. And that is how to get the crying filter on Instagram. If this helped you out, then please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.